All right, let's start it, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Cash and Coffee. Today, we're gonna go over, like always. Let me actually go to our list. US30 gold, and also I added GJ and UCAT to the Cash and Coffee watch list because it allows us to. Oh, sorry. I'm hearing my voice on other platform too. Okay. So yeah, GJ and USD CAT, so we can have forex trading as well. As of right now, I don't really have much of a setup. Currently, I see gold being super bullish and 1810 or 1820. It's a possibility for price to reach. US30 looking pretty bearish in macro. On micro, I do see it, pushing it up and being bullish, but I just can't trust it in higher time frame. That's why I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm actually going to leave all of them alone because also gold for me in higher time frame, it is a macro consolidation, and I think if we want to make it, this is a macro range. If we want to make it even to the micro levels, you can see this is also where they are working in micro. Both of them is the trap, and that's the reason I'm leaving it alone, because God knows how they want to work around here. We did have a pretty massive move last week. We have NFP approaching. That's why it's not really safe to basically do anything in it. Let's take a look at GJ2. This one was a loss for the last week for me. Sorry. I actually took 2 loss on GJ, trying to catch a reversal on it, while my DMA was telling me to sell, but I guess it's a lesson that was learned. You can see the risk to reward already. So losses are small in my way, and profits are always bigger. That's how it actually survived this market, and it has a possibility to win over a longer or series of trade. But this one, I took 2 loss, and if you took it with me, I hope you were able to get it back from the sell. I didn't get in. None of the moves happened in the way I wanted. So nothing here for me. Let me get rid of these 2. As of right now, I'm gonna wait for more clear setup because it is pretty bearish in my opinion. And we still have more price to go down, but it is nowhere close to areas that I like to enter. So I wanna leave it alone. And lastly, US dollar Canadian. So this one, in my opinion, is performing a Tuesday reversal. All right. The reason I think that it's because we had a high of Friday and high of previous week. Basically, we had a pretty nice bullish trend line here. You can draw it, and even if you can't draw it, you can literally see it. We have a trend line as well. People seeing it. I don't know if we can draw it like more down to here. Let's see. It's not gonna be as respectful, especially around here, but it actually does show how trap kind of played out here. And let me fix the top one too. All right, so they are saying that trend line is working. The high broken, that brings a lot of liquidity in the market. And notice how price rejected it, brought sellers where they put their stop loss above here, then grab their stop loss. And those who think this is going to be actually bullish move, they're also going to have their pending order above it. That's the whole thing about Tuesday reversal. We have videos on the channel, and also a free mini trap course that you can learn about it. Sure to check it out. Yeah, so bearish engulfing after hitting the highs, breaking DMA. Now if we go to lower time frame, you can see DMA is being broken after the high got trapped. Also in 15 minutes, we have a bearish engulfing. This was not a confirmation, didn't hit the DMA. We had also crossed up, went up, and then came right back down. My bias is mostly from macro. Now I'll take a look at 30 minutes. Look at this candle. This is something you guys gotta learn. I actually took this trade. I'm in about 2 pips profit right now. So if you want to get in, feel free to do so. So this candle right here, it's a good giveaway here, right? And then a bearish engulfing after that just seals the deal. That's it. And then after that, anything is just more confirmation or more entry opportunity. All right. So USR Canadian, where it can go? Well, the first place that you can expect it to go is the previous zone they created, which is low of this week, right? This can be your first potential target, which is safe. After that, you can expect low of previous week to be met and trapped. So this is pretty much like this. Second, let me take this here too. All right. So in other hand, we have yearly moving average at 1.26. You can see in here. So this is gonna be the last target for me. And this is yearly moving average. And the reason I think it can come down to here is to have a macro induction. And it's gonna hit the TP1, come halfway here, trap this trend line, and then go for the liquidity. And by the time price is at the third TP, they're most likely going to be trapping sellers, and the same trend line would be drawn in the different angle. So let's just wait and see. It does look okay. And that's basically my only trade for today. Didn't take any other through my whole watch list. And let's go over the rest of the things we do here. So, and I have some tools that I want to show you. I actually didn't know they exist until yesterday and until the Black Friday deal of TradingView. Hope you guys got it. If you didn't, go get it. It's really good. So I didn't know about the Forex, stock, and cryptocurrency screener and also their heat map, which is actually something good for our sessions to go over and see how they're working. It's gonna give you basically I made some changes here. Okay, so I hope you guys actually, yeah. So this is basically, I made some changes to which market I want to look at it, and like just good markets, NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange. And we can definitely use different factors here to sort these things. And that's the beauty of it. And also look for the set different stocks. Also, we can look for the stocks that pays dividend on so it's good basically. And also, as well as Forex, to be honest with you, I had no idea, and I have still no idea how this Forex thing can be used to my trading. Let me know in the chat if you guys have any idea about it, and you know how a Forex screener can help your trading. I think we can just see the amount of change on these pairs and see the market, how crazy is the market. And that's pretty much it. I have nothing really to this one. I'm gonna remove it. But it can definitely help towards cryptocurrency. I do like to check them based on how they change in the last day. Usually I'm more excited about losing one in how they're going down. So I want to go and check out if there is any opportunity for me to, find a good coin or something. I'm looking at it right now. We do have storage and Rari. I don't like it. I don't like the name of it. And the price also. This is actually really good. I see if I can do all-time high here. Not really. I have to actually make it Binance. All right, so yeah, I gotta try to figure this out to if we can have the all-time high for the price around here. But yeah, we can see the price and we can also see the percentage here. Let me change it to this one. What are these? All right, I don't really know what this premium is about, but we will go over starting from here. I think it looks better. No, there's still premium. Okay. LIT. I'm gonna get rid of this premium thing. Maybe let's have that on what it was before. Looked better. All right. Okay, so we're back. Zcash is down. But it's to the Bitcoin. I don't see to US. Yeah, there you go. US dollar. It's 227 right now. We have about 7% drop on these others. Looks like Mana is down a little bit too. And GRT Ether. I'm not really trading GRT Ether, but GRT USDT should be fun. Let's see. Yeah. Go to daily. All right, so GRT pretty nicely came above above the daily averages that we have, and it is rejecting it. It's actually below $1, and all-time high for it is already around $3. So you're looking at 3 times increase on the price just to go back where it was. And yeah, I do like the fact that they came down here, consolidated this massive candle. This daily candle need to close like this, otherwise it can be closing back below DMA. So yeah, GRT USDT is not that bad. Let's take a look at it here to see if actually we can find it. Yeah, it's the number 85. I already know it's a good coin. I had it before. I still, I think I have some, but I got in and out around like in start of the year around here, and then just didn't get any more of it. I'm actually going to, yeah, I'm gonna go get some of these GRT today. Better to wait for the, you know, um, daily candle to close so we can have a little bit more confirmation. But one thing about these cryptocurrencies is that I actually do trust them. Like when I have the faith on one of them, like the project, I mean, then I will buy it. And it's just any technical is just extra than extra confirmation, if that makes sense. Can't really find GRT here, but we did check it out. Yeah. Let me go and get this right now. Grab some of these coin. Yeah. And what else? Let's go back to crypto screener. Yeah, that was the only. Okay, Mana looks some different with it too. Let's see. Oh wow, it did went to $6 as well. Nice. Very nice. It's around $5. I think this just gonna go up and up and up, I have no reason to believe this hasn't having anything to go downside. Yeah. Yeah, get this mana, guys. If you don't get it, if you don't have it, make sure to get it. It is a good coin. Well, it's a coin that you can't avoid it, and it is gonna go up. You either get it or you miss it. Okay. So I'm gonna go to GRT real quick. Yeah, the GRT is okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of it. It's less than $1, so it is good. All right, done. Great. So let's move on. All right, the other thing I wanted to show you, last week we talked about Matthias asked, oh, how you doing, Matthias? GRT is on, let me tell you here. GRT. There you can get it on Binance. You don't have to go over drama to get this on the other, but looks like it's Ethereum. Yeah, it is Ethereum. You should stream in Twitch. Oh man, I have a hard time already trying to figure out how can I get this running out of the Zoom application, and with the way I work with it with Elvin, I don't know. I'm gonna try. But give us the time. I'm definitely gonna increase the quality of our live sessions. All right, so TradingView also, other than screeners, it also offers heat map right now for both the stock and cryptocurrencies. I already use the coin 360 for cryptocurrencies. I honestly don't really like the way this one looks with the logos and everything. I'm probably I didn't check it. Okay, yeah. I can get rid of the logos already. And okay, you can have it on this or this one. Okay. Sorry, I'm just checking it with you guys. I opened them. All right. Yeah, so I still like the coin 360 more, to be honest, but compared to the one that you guys mentioned last week about the stock, I do see this a little bit. I don't know. I like this a little bit better. And we're gonna go over a little bit of text too. And the stock, if you remember, we talked about mRNA. I think let me bring it here. Yeah, this is a stock that we actually had a conversation about it in our cash and coffee and our live session. 237.60. This is a price that where we had it when price was here. We basically said that this is getting ready to push up, and after from there I actually bought this stock right at this price, and so far it's up about $100, over $100, and it is pretty bullish. You can see the candles in 1 hour and how it's closing. Looking at daily, it's very nice, and I think it's at no time it's going to be 500, and it's going to just continue going up. So that's about the stock, and let's take a look at it right now and see what is good. Looks like a good day for stocks. As always, I usually try to focus on those that are in a pullback or they're red, if that makes sense. Okay. And right now we don't have much of a red. Okay. Let's see. We got, yeah, Twitter is down nicely. Yeah, I actually, to be honest with you guys, I'm not really sure what are these like MRKs. I'm not really good at the stocks yet. Um, yeah, not really seeing anything on a stock. We can definitely go over, Apple, Facebook, Google. Yeah, Google looks like in a good place too. A little bit dangerous because it has a potential to go lower. And I can definitely see people jumping into the buys after breaking 2,900 to 3,000 to over 3,000. And it is possible for them to have a bit of a drop and induction on this. That's what I see right now, at least. Over time, I'll see if my technical analysis, how good are they in the stock markets. All right, let's go back here. Netflix is a bit down too. Let's take a look at Netflix chart. And someone had a comment in the another Cash and Coffee episode, wanted me to go over Doji. We'll go over it. Stay tuned a little bit. So Netflix also looking good actually. We have 600. It's 669 right now. We have, but it's almost pretty much all-time highs for it. and it is blowing up every day with the different things that are making it. You can see they are trying to show that it cannot break this high. That's how they do it in a stock, looks like. We are probably going to see more resistance trap than ever on the stocks, because the overall direction is mostly up, right? It's just matter of when you want to enter these trades. I do like Netflix. Yeah, probably gonna just execute it later on. All right. And also another tool that I want to explain to you. This is actually one of the really old websites. I haven't been used this after Coin 360. I learned about it and then I kind of left this alone, but it's screener that I had for the cryptocurrencies. This one is also a really good one. It's called businesscreener.com. I'm going to put it in the chat. So if you guys want, yeah, it's Moderna. You can take a look at it. So with this one thing that you can have is definitely, well, best thing that you can have on this one is looking at basically a bit of a chart, as well as this tab up here. It's not that bad. You can kind of convert it and see how much you want to exchange or something. You got this prediction based on Bitcoin and how price is gonna be. I don't usually look at it, because it's using, fundamentals mostly. It's gonna give you different places that you are able to buy the coin. All right. And also some historical data and news. All right. And also, if you go down here, you can see some statistic like the ranking. This ranking is pretty close to the ranking that the Coin 360 has, but it's just their ranking. You have the market cap range and everything, the changes as well, and some news about it. Posters on Reddit, and Twitter, and some technical. So it's a pretty good website. That's how I actually started my cryptocurrency journey with this one. I found a lot of good trades on this. Looks like we got a map here too, which I used to actually go through this top losers and top gainers inside a day, and you can see in a month too here. And also you can see it based on the blockchain. So is it a Ethereum? It's a Binance Smart Chain token, or the other ones. There is a lot of information going on here. I mean, if you are kind of have time to go over different things, this is going to be your goal, in my opinion, because it allows you to make good decision, find good coins and everything. So let's go over it. One of the top gainers today is Shiba. Let me go and take a look at Doji as well. So you can see SHIB after 3 weeks of drop, lost the value for about 50% of the move, and now it's again starting to go up. Not bad. I do like the bullish engulfings, actually 2 of them, especially the second one that managed to break above 2 of the averages. We definitely can see price coming back where it was and breaking it higher. Okay, this is one of the crypto memes that I think it's gonna work good, just like Doji. Let's take a look at this one as well. So for Doji, I just don't have the confirmations, and how it looks in SHIB just doesn't look like it here. And we also can see how price is sort of working around this area, which it did work for quite some times. That means a lot of people will be looking to buys, and I won't be surprised if they have a bit of a drop first, just maybe just like these, to panic sell, make people panic sell, and then going back up. Overall, Doji is not bad. Um, but I wouldn't pay anything over 10 cents for this coin, you know. If I want to get in, it has to go down for like 10 cents, 15 cents. Then I might buy it because I did not have any doji from this push that came up to here. Yeah. But when this was going up, I was in Kishu. More than that. All right. So, yeah. So we went over these two. So make sure go over this beta screener too. But from this is gonna be added to our cash and coffee plan. We're gonna all go over this part of beta screener. Probably we're not gonna go over trading view screener anymore. Maybe for stock, but not for like cryptos and stuff. These are some of the top gainers. Or usually you're late. This is not a good place to look. The best place to look for is losers in a month or week or day, in my opinion. Because then when they turn, you're gonna see them in top gainers of the week, day, or month, but you were in it. And you can see the amount of percentage that you can get from here. Let me check this Hive and what it is. $2.81. You can have it in Binance as well. The ranking is 119. The market cap is over a billion, which is nice. I want to take a look at their website too. Web3, Hive ecosystem, streaming. Okay. You got wallets, apps. Okay. Been listed in a lot of different exchange, as well as Binance. That's basically the only one I know between these. Well, I know CoinX too. Not much of any information here. I'm still not quite sure what they're going to do. Looks like they are more of a, you know, they provide, probably you can purchase stuff in these apps using their coin. Yeah, you see the NFTs. Just in statistic. Yeah, doesn't have much to say to me, but it did have a good return. Let's see here. Now, top crypto losers for the month. We have Theo and Zelvin. Close to Elvin. This one is $2 too. We had the all-time highs. All right, we have all-time highs of $7. That's over 3 times of the investment. It is listed in a lot of exchanges. Looks like it's not in Binance yet. Oh, the ranking is not good. The market cap is too low. Okay. So it's an expensive coin with not a great ranking and not a great market cap and not much of exchanges to trade. It's on Ethereum blockchain. Let's go to their website. Purchase any good, earn money. Built in crypto. All right, looks like it's very pretty much is like AliExpress. And they have different goods. So let's say if I want to buy this clock here. I buy now. If I want to do, what is my options here? So it actually showed here. There is a bonus of ZLW coin. You'll get half of the coin. So probably you're gonna have a wallet when you open this, or it's gonna be built into this one. So that's a project basically. Okay, so there is a project on it, but the project is not really interesting. You know, with the big guys like AliExpress and Amazon there already, and they're having their own coins and blockchains is coming up and everything. I don't think Zelvin has much of a chance here. Not going to work with this guy. Sorry, Zelvin. And let's go back here. What else do we have? Taboo token. We got Platin. We got Binary X. Not really interesting. Well, in the percentage, I'd rather see more down. Okay. So let's wrap it up, guys. That is pretty much it. Let's leave something for tomorrow as well. And yep, so we have NFP this week, guys. Be careful about it. Let's take a look at these four real quick again. So US30, as I told you guys, not to really touch it. You can see not really certain. Taking a look at gold, still looking pretty bullish. I do like it, to be honest with you. Not that bad. And also US dollar can GJ also it's going nowhere. US dollar Canadian did came back up hitting those DMAs. It's gonna close in about 15 seconds. Let's see how it is going to close actually together. And once it is over, we can kind of, yeah. So close really nicely below 15 minutes DMA. Happy about it. Yeah. Cool. So that's about UCAT. And we got into GRT today. Let's take a look at Yahoo Finance. Oh, the new variant is also hitting the fan. And I don't know at this point who's basically believing this thing. I don't know. If you are believing this, I have nothing to tell you really. You're perfectly programmed. But I mean, it's a great way to move the market using it. Not interested in getting fear out of it. And I hope people can survive this madness. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you learn something new. Until the next Cash and Coffee, peace out.